In this quick video, I will show you how to install a LATICRETE HydroBan shower system for a walk-in shower. This type of shower system is called a seal system. It is 100% waterproof. Let's get on with the video. Of course, never forget to take off your stickers. I will quickly frame out for our niche, and then we will install our prefabricated HydroBan 12x20 niche. Made in the USA. We will quickly cut out for the niche using our multi-tool. Quick and easy way to do it. Now we have to cut out for our window. it's time to install our sheet membrane over our dry pack. This is a seal system, 100% waterproof. We will use thinset to adhere this to the dry pack, and then we will use sealant around here as well. So inside corners, outside corners, membrane over the dry pack, and of course we run our band around the perimeter of this shower base. Here we go. And you want to make sure to key in your thinset to your dry pack. Okay guys, the shower is complete, waterproofed and prepped. The last step is simply to run a bead of waterproof sealant around the drain body here. We have thinset going all the way up to here. Run our sealant, and then tomorrow we will perform our flood test to make sure everything is watertight 100%. Flood test successful.